So currently the B6 A4 takes 2 presses on the unlock button on the key fob to unlock all of the doors. Check it out. So the first click is to unlock the driver's side door only. See there? And these are still locked. And then you gotta press it again to unlock the rest of the doors. But I am actually going to change it to only having to press it once to unlock all doors. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it in this video. So let's get straight to it. Here are the tools that I will be using. A VCDS cable here and a laptop with the VCDS program. So let's get started. Plug the VCDS cable into the OBD2 port under the driver's dash near the hood latch release lever. Plug the USB end of the VCDS cable into your laptop. Turn the ignition on. Open up the VCDS program. Go to Select Module. Go to 46, Central Convenience. Go to Coding-07. Alright, so close out on this window here. Okay, so pay attention to this number right here. This number would be different from each car to each car. Most likely, my number here, shown here, will not be the same as yours. So use your number and do not use my number. But even before you do anything, always save this original number first before you make any changes, just in case something happens and you need to switch back to the original number. So take a snapshot or take a picture and save the original number. Okay, so now to make the changes, what you would need to do is subtract 4 from your number shown here. So for me, I'm going to subtract 4 and my number will now become 11,848. Then go down to do it. Go to close controller, go back, and exit. So now let's check to see if this works. So let's check to see if it works. So the car is currently locked. Just press unlock button once, and now that should unlock all of the doors. Nice. There it is. So if you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed a video where I enabled the Windows roll up and down feature via the KEYFOB remote, make sure to go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.